What's up, team? Today is Monday, October 14th, 2019, and we're talking supernovas today in momentum. We're looking at the broad market SPY right now, and if you joined us Friday, you already know we had bullish talks. We pushed past the 296.94. We're going to be cozy bulls. Well, we like to be cozy bears, but right now we're looking to be blind bulls above that breakout point again, the 296.94. I'll zoom in on the daily chart here on our left, and we can see the little bit of chaos that has been our broad market. However, that's okay because with trade talks heating up, we're lining up for momentum to be back in play. With more money rotating back into the market, people will be less skeptical and a little bit more willing to put money into mid caps and small caps. And our number one momentum play from Friday, actually, if you watched that, congratulations, because you're probably able to jump in on SES with us around $3. Yes, it is pushing 19 right now. We were in from the 350, bounced at the 390 confirmation, and we're able to ride it comfortably up above that 390 confirmation. So if you held it, you're up almost 400%. This does qualify as a supernova. 300% inside of a day is typically a supernova, but this is just over. I mean, we have the weekend accounting there, but just over a trading day there. So, I mean, that's awesome. Congratulations, team. I know a lot of people have been playing this inside the intraday. We had a nice cozy entry here as well, with the VWAP reclaim after consolidation above pre-market lows. We've been talking about this setup. If you watched Friday's video, how to play these monsters, we were watching that pre-market low. It did not fail below that pre-market low, and we played well. We were able to get in on the VWAP reclaim, allowing for an easy 100% gain. That's almost 10.5 points. It's impressive. That's not the only play today. We had BIMI. Yeah, we were calling for SES to hit 20, so let's see how that does. It's moving nicely still. It's at 19.7 now, but BIMI, calling this back here at $3, is pushing $8 right now. Wow, what a day. And then I believe we had one more. We had YUMA. YUMA was nice and early, and it was looking like it wanted to do something. It did. Excellent. So above 378, YUMA plays well. Took a conservative entry here at 383. And took profit at 10% because it wasn't looking sustainable. We talked about a recovery potential, and it holding above the $3 mark would potentially still play. It actually ended up almost holding above the pre-market highs on that consolidation. VWAP reclaiming into a higher low, and then catching a bid there. Nice volume, and it's going to break out past the $5 again. Into our 641. It's going to be a very nice push. We just hit 20 on SES. So, congratulations those who played these. Congratulations, team. It's wingtraits.com. Come check us out. Join the live conversation and make sure you're profiting with us. We will see you there.